Hey everybody, welcome back to Fountain Lake Storage in St. Charles, Missouri. Today we're going to go over a quick tip with everybody about a new item that we have available for new tenants and current tenants. It's going to be storage shelving. So shelving is going to make storing your items in your unit a whole lot easier. So they are available for rent, again, for new customers and existing customers while we have them lasting. I think right now we have quite a few in stock, but we are in the process of ordering more. So real quick, couple tips that are going to help out with these storage shelves is one, they are already pre-made. So as you can see, we already have the tiers on them. We have them built up for you. So new tenants, existing tenants, you're not going to have to spend any time putting them together. We'll have them together for you and roll them straight into your unit whenever you need it. Secondly, they are on wheels. So once they are inside your unit, they can easily be moved around. So if you need to make extra space, move them around to get something else inside your unit, you can just super easily roll them back and forth, side to side, however you need to, and the wheels do lock. So down at the bottom, you can turn the locks on or off so that they do stay there in case you bump into it. Nothing's gonna fall over. Your shelves aren't gonna roll away from you. And then thirdly, it's just gonna help out tremendously with storage. So you can stack your boxes in here and come and go and take your boxes off your shelves, get the items out of there, put that box right back on the shelf and go about your day. Whereas if you had your boxes standardly just stacked up on the ground up high and you needed to get in box 2, you're gonna have to take some of those boxes off, get whatever you need out of your box, and then stack it back up to make your storage unit look nice and neat. So that is those 3 big tips. That is why storage shelving is a must almost these days if you're gonna have a storage unit. That right there kind of does it. Those are your tips. We call it the Tips with Tyler for storage. So tune in next week for another video. Thanks guys, have a good one.